these advanced machining processes. The growing industrial requirements in machining processes are better finish, low values of tolerances, higher production rates, complex shapes, automated data transmission, miniaturization, etc. The machine tools should be easily adaptable for automation as well. To meet such demands, a different class of machining processes, that is, non-traditional machining processes, or more correctly named as advanced machining processes, have been developed. These newer methods are also called unconventional in the sense that conventional tools are not employed for metal cutting. Here, you can see the classification of advanced machining processes. The advanced machining processes can be classified into three basic categories, that is, mechanical, thermoelectric, and electrochemical and chemical machining processes. There are different kinds of mechanical